I'm very happy to see you and to have this learning community. I never speak English. I have not spoken English for 10 years. So I know that my English is very bad, and my English skills becomes worse and worse, and maybe the worst among you. Yeah. So I'm happy to have English atmosphere. This is English June, so I want to use this to speak English. I never speak English much. Since I have been a superintendent in school supervisor. Well, Bapak Ibu, I want to use this time and thank you to UT for giving me chance, and luckily, actually I still have 15 minutes, so I will use this. So the agenda will run well, like what MTMB have written in the agenda. Right, Bapak Ibu, I just want to remind you or refresh. Right, Bapak Ibu, technology cannot replace teacher. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes.
What's your reason?
Because we have feeling.
Yeah. Okay, that's right. Technology can have feelings, love and care, and also everything that human being can do. And related with your main job, teaching English, we should use this. That Allah gives us many things that technology do not have. Right. So we should use this. We should benefit equipments, natural equipments given by Allah. Right, Bapak Ibu. In this occasion, we are talking about. We will discuss about icebreakers. I think this is very important for English teachers to have understanding of icebreakers and how to use this.